for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, center armrest, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, compass, security alarm, fog lights, trip computer, brake assist, convenience group, remote keyless entry, Sirius Satellite Radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.